pagkakataong ito, ating pag-uusapan kung what is ROTC, why is ROTC, at ano ang mga benepisyong makukuha kapag mag-advance ROTC. What is ROTC? The Reserve Officer Training Corps o ROTC is designed to train, organize, and mobilize citizens for the National Defense Preparedness, Republic Act 9163. It is one of the three components of the National Service Training Program or NSTP. The basic ROTC is a 2 semesters program consisting of 120 hours credited for 6 units. Training is conducted for 15 days, normally during weekends. Graduates of basic ROTC may choose to pursue further military instruction and take the advanced ROTC course. Why ROTC? Join us and take interesting lessons such as patriotism, leadership development, weapons training and familiarization firing, basic survival techniques, map reading and land navigation, disasters preparedness, rescue and relief operations. Exciting and challenging activities include agility training, wall and rope climbing, rappelling, rifle and pistol shooting. Ano nga ba ang mga benepisyong makukuha kapag mag-advance ROTC? Ito po yon. Una, Philippine Army Advanced ROTC cash incentives from 10,000 to 15,000 per semester to qualified advanced ROTC cadets. Subsistence allowance, 90 pesos per training day. The Army Reserve Command shall provide initial clothing and individual equipment such as battle dress uniform with combat shoes, bull cap, socks, garrison, belt, pistol belt, and etc. Free hospitalization when injury, sickness is incurred during training days. What happens after ROTC? After graduation from the ROTC, you will be automatically incorporated into the AFP Reserve Force, or you may join the regular force of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Basic ROTC graduates become enlisted reservists, while Advanced ROTC and Probationary Officer Training Course or POTC graduates become reservist officer and can be called to active duty or ordered to duty in the regular force. Okay, yan po yung why and what at ano ang mga benepisyong makukuha kapag mag-advance ROTC. Maraming salamat.